You may have met an interesting girl, and you may be looking for tips and tricks on how you can make the girl chase you. You try to do all it takes to garner her attention and want her to revert with the same as well. The chase is everything in winning a girl's affection and, in time, her heart. That's why we will show you some of the most efficient tactics on how to make her chase you. Number 1. Always be mysterious. This is the most important thing you need to know if you want a woman to chase after you. Being mysterious with the girl you like will make you look like a real, unparalleled alpha guy. Do not reveal too much about yourself on the first date. Also, do not share too much information about yourself on your social media. Let her investigate what she wants to know about you. This is not a hard game to get. How do you find out if she likes you enough to find out some things about you by herself? She will monitor your every move. If she likes you, she will want to know more about you. Number 2. Be sociable. A girl can chase after you by living a social life. Let her see your social life and how cool you are, but make sure you are not hypocritical. It will turn her off, and she will certainly not chase after you. If you stay away for a while, then she will be attracted to you knowing that she is not the center of your attention. Don't be a bad boy or treat them as inferior or ignore them completely, because it will hurt their feelings and they will get confused. Keeping a short distance makes a girl want you more. Number 3. Keep your life busy. Do not stay with her often. Let her breathe. Therefore, she must know that you have other things in life besides her. If you start treating her as the only person in the whole world, she will start to think you are desperate. You have to prove to her that you are a man of high value who thinks about his future and how to create a better future for her and her future family. Show her that you want to make the most of life. Focus on your work and goals. Spend more time with friends. Go on trips with your friends. Number 4. Praise. By praising a girl, she can chase after you. Girls like to be teased and talk about love. Do not praise her too much because you seem to be chasing her. Praise her for what is right, because if you only comment on her appearance, she will think you need something physical from her, and you do not want that to happen. How do you get a woman to chase you? Make her feel special. She will want more. Number 5. Be good friendly. Girls like it when boys are friendly. You want to be close or a girl will not chase after you. If you are friendly and open to conversation, she will probably come to talk to you. Not all girls like bad guys. A girl wants to talk to a sweet and caring boy, and if you have those qualities, you're worth pursuing. Number 6. Focus on yourself. Once you get to the point where the girl following you is talking to you often, you need to relax a bit. Do not ignore her and play it cool. Once you realize that you guys have been apart for a while and haven't talked in a while, she will miss you. She will first give you a message and look for you, which means she will be following you. She may also need your attention to feel romantic and play the game correctly. Remember that it is not good to be too far away because she will not chase after you. Keep yourself cool and focus on yourself. Then she will be at your door. Number 7. Be attractive. Do not underestimate the power of a girl to chase after you or to take an interest in you. No, we are not talking about flirting. However, it can be functional too. If you meet in a friendly and engaging way, you will stand out from the crowd and she will not be able to be adequate. There is something about being attractive that girls may not be able to get enough of. There is also a big difference between being attractive and being overweight. So do not confuse the two. Number 8. Play with her. But within limits if you want her to chase you. You cannot completely separate from her. You need to be emotional when she needs you and have fun being around. Be someone who likes to spend time with her, not just giving those opportunities how important they are to you. Play with her, make her laugh, and make fun of her, but make sure you do not go overboard or act rude. Number 9. Think about your life together. A girl wants a mature and very successful man. A girl with a good education and career can chase after you. No girl likes a man who goes nowhere with life. By setting goals and achieving them, you can bring down the right girl. Number 10. Treat her with respect. Under no circumstances can it be very challenging for women to meet a man they respect. If you want a girl to know how to chase you, respect her, including her limitations and her personal beliefs. Number 11. Tell this to others. A good way to get a girl to follow you is to tell others you care about her. You can tell from mutual friends that she has feelings for you. In this case, it will be easier for you and you can sit back and let her do all the work. Does not seem desperate. It's a big turn on for any girl. Telling each other friends can give you the confidence. You need to know that you do not have to work so hard to get a girl to like you. Number 12. First impression of love. As for the women, most of the boys seem to have mastered the art of screwing from the starting gate. The majority of men make the most of their nerves, and when you sweat and act insecure, you openly stonewall any girl. When you gather the courage, you will be transformed into a complete magnetic field to be mindful, confident, and secure about matter. Work to build trust, and then you girls will chase after you. Number 13. Get to know her better. A good way to get her attention is to get to know her better. This will improve the quality of your interaction and overall relationship and make it easier for her to trust you. Start by knowing her tastes and her dreams. Making her the person who starts the relationship and making her come to you often is a permanent way. Number 14. Challenge her. People like to stand up for the occasion and impress someone, especially someone who has feelings for them. To achieve this, you must challenge her indirectly and subtly. You may mention that you would like to date someone who shares common hobbies or interests. She will take it as a challenge, so you see her as more than just a friend. Number 15. Treat her friends. Her friends play a huge role in her life. They are the ones she loves and trusts the most. That's why you need to know them and like them. Treat her friends, then the girls will chase after you. Number 16. Always be kind. Girls are incredibly attracted to men who are sympathetic to others, have a positive outlook, and are good-natured. Your kindness reflects a lot on how you love and care for others. If you cannot be kind, it is an automatic red flag for women. This means not only being kind to her, but to everyone you meet. Number 17. Sharpen communication skills. Women are known as verbal people. So if you want to know how girls follow you, be an effective communicator. If you're the kind who is not verbal with their stories, compliments, or anything really, you look soft and lazy in her eyes. Talk and communicate anything you want. Number 18. Try to connect with her. Dealing with her one by one is a great way to get closer to her and get to know her better. But if you do it often, it can also give you your intentions and feelings about her. Try to associate with mutual friends often to show that you do not seem to care much about her, or at least that you do not want to take the first step. It tries to hide your intentions and get your attention. Number 19. Be a good listener. People are immediately attracted to good listeners, someone they can talk to or trust. Be this person for her without talking about yourself or risking sharing anything too much. This will motivate her to talk to you and get to know you better, because she will always want to be with you whenever you want to share something. Number 20. Make her a little jealous. A little jealousy heals. There are plenty of attractive women who can try to get your attention or flirt with you, assuming you are not officially in a relationship. Try to make her a little jealous, or show her that you have people's attention by not taking it too far and having healthy romantic feelings. This proves to you that she is the best person for you. Number 21. Romantic hints. Girls may not know what a boy thinks. A girl can get more motivated by giving up small tips like what you like in a girl. By using some of the qualities in the girl you are talking to, she may think she is right for you. Be vague and do not explicitly state what you like about her. This will make the girl want to be the right person for you and chase after you as a result. Number 22. Be confident. Confidence is key when you are trying to learn to chase a girl. No woman wants an insecure man. Having strong, confident body language can show a woman that you have confidence. Avoid excessive body movements, such as moving around her or acting restlessly. She will be attracted to you by showing that you have confidence in yourself. So lift your head up and walk away, soon a girl will chase after you. Number 23. Keep any romance a secret. A secret for her is not necessary to keep your feelings secret from the woman you love. But if you want her to be the one pursuing you, it becomes almost a necessity. Be a good friend to her, spend time with her, help her if she needs to, but do not let her know that you love her. Avoid clear romantic feelings and cheese lines. If she knows you're mad at her, she will think you're always there and you will not feel the need to chase after her. Number 24. Always make her laugh. One of the greatest ways in which girls chase after you is to make a woman laugh. When you smile at her, she enjoys your company and wants to be around you often. After all, a woman is a worthy man to keep a man who can smile and be honest. Don't be afraid to use jokes and even use your best pickup lines to make her smile. Trust us, it's all worth it. Number 25. Inspire her mind. Women love emotional intimacy above all else. If you get her mind, you are already very close to getting her heart. If you want to know how girls chase you, do not hesitate to show your intellectual side. Have a deep conversation, ask her questions, reveal your curiosity to the world. She will love this. Number 26. Don't admit you like her too soon. Here are the steps you can take to begin the process of preparation for mediation. When she tells you how she feels about you, you can tell she likes you too. If you reveal your feelings too soon, you will ruin everything. You might even scare her. Even when she admits that she likes you in the first place, you should not pour your whole heart into her completely. Let her know that you have a really good time around her and that you like to hang out with her often.